In this episode, I will show you how you can add comments to your Google document. Let's say you are working with a team in a company and you want to add comment for your teammates, right? So the first thing you need to do is to determine where you want the comment to be. So for me, let's say we have action item, review the new UI design prototype, write the script for the Google Workspace video. So let's say review the new UI design prototype. Let's say I have a teammate and the teammate has sent me this document and I'm not clear. Let's say what is in my head is that we want to review the new UI UX design wireframe and not the prototype. So what I need to do is just highlight the whole expression here. I will just come to this place that says add comment and I will click on it. I will say, are you sure is the prototype that we are reviewing, not the wireframe? Then I can tag the person here. Let's say I have their email address. I'm just going to tag them. I'll click on assign to the person. I'll click on assign. Says the assigned person will be notified and response for marking as are responsible for marking as completed. I'm just going to click on assign. So the person would be able to comment or reply to this document. I'm just going to say comment, right? And that's it. So what happened is that if the person they will receive an email, they'll be able to they will be able to reply to this email. Let's say, and this is how they basically will reply. Let's say they are on this document now. You can reply to the thread and say no is the prototype that we are to review according to the product lead during the last meetup, the last meeting. That's it. So you can just click on reply and you know can keep it going and all. So the person can now, if they want to like mark this comment as resolved, they are satisfied with it and all of that. They can now click on mark as resolved, right? That's it. So let's say you want to show the comment. Now it is hidden, right? But if you like want to show it again, you want where the comment is, just come here at the top. You see it says show all comment. Just click on it and the comment would loads up, right? So all the comment that you've had in the past, everything will be shown for you, right? Then you can filter all types, the ones that are resolved, and filter by the ones that are open, you want like basically you can do however you want, or you can go to the for you tab, which basically just shows the ones that are related to you and the all comment, right? This is basically how you add comment to your Google document. If you find this very helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next episode.